Good morning to all. I am happy at the result of class 12th. All my 41 brilliant children have come out with wonderful results. I take this opportunity to congratulate them for the hard work they have done in securing this result. This batch will be recorded in the history as they are the first batch of virtual learners of AISSE 2021. Our IT department needs a special appreciation because it was they who played a key role in carrying out the learning process in a smooth way even in these trying times. Special thanks to our most respected manager Sri Sajikumar sir for providing us with highly effective e-learning platform and other guidance to go smoothly. My love and appreciation to all my talented teachers for their sincere effort in guiding the children to score such a wonderful result. Even after regular school hours, they have spent time to give special attention to train each and every student, and this helped them to score high. Also, thanks to all respected parents for your continuous support. May Amma bless each one of us with wisdom and courage to face the continuing challenges and keep going in good spirit. Best wishes to all. Namaskar.
Surya, naturally, we all are tensed during the exam times, including you and me. So, what were your stress busters?
First of all, thanks to my teachers and parents for being my backbone through this stressful period. They helped me get distracted from overthinking. Getting enough sleep is my priority when it comes to stress. I was always aware about the fact that taking many hours to study is meaningless, so I managed to do some extracurricular activities. Most of all, I never fail to have some me time whenever I feel stressed out. That's how I became positive with my learning process.
For how many years you have been in the school?
School life is the best period in our lifetime. So I have been here for over 12 years.
As we know that our classes were conducted in online mode due to this pandemic situation. So actually, what is your experience toward this online mode of teaching learning?
Of course, everyone knows the difficulties of online classes. Even cons are more than pros in the case of online classes. The main problem was that the availability of internet was unstable, and also there were lack of interaction between teachers and students, make the concepts harder, and you may have also faced such difficulties. And first few days of the introduction of this mode of learning, we had also felt so much difficulties, and later we had thought positive of online classes, and our teachers have managed a lot to make the recorded video classes interesting, and they have conducted regular online meetings in Google Meet every week for clearing doubts, and even at that time we could communicate with our friends. So for me, online classes was interesting and very helpful for studying.
As we all know that the school was taken over by Amrita Group 3 years back. So, can you quote us the changes that you have noticed in this school?
A lot of changes has been observed in our school. Our entire atmosphere has been changed. Our teachers who treat us like their own children help us a lot in our studies and co-curricular activities. Our manager Sajikumar sir also gives us instructions, and he also supports us in each and every activity. And our school organized study camp for us to prepare for board exams. Lot of things, a lot of memories and things are given by this Kairali school. So I thank all my teachers, friends, management, everything for their blessings and support.
How do you feel when the thought comes to your mind that you are now only an alumni?
First of all, I want to thank all my teachers and friends for their support and for good memories which have happened in this school. It was a sad moment for me when I realized that I'm an alumni, not a regular student. But yes, okay, I accept it, but I don't like to believe that I'm an alumni of this wonderful school. Lot of memories are there. I will, after leaving this school, I will miss our teachers, our friends, everything.
What did you feel when you were declared as our school topper?
First of all, I need to thank all my teachers, friends and my family who have been supportive to me even in this pandemic situation and helped me to achieve this moment.
When I first heard about my result, I was extremely happy and my happiness knew no bound. I share my happiness with my family. All my teachers, friends, family members conveyed their blessing and wishes for my success. But I feel sad for one thing, that I am not able to meet my friends and share this happiness with them. It really felt very good to achieve our dream, so everybody work hard for it. Work hard for not only in your studies but also in your personality development. It is really a very nice experiment.
Okay, what do you like to say about our teachers, our real guiding force, right?
Yes, I am very grateful to all my teachers who have been with us even in our difficult time. They have been with us all the time, encouraging and supporting us to do better. They give their best to teach and guide us through our time. All of them give us courage to face our problems and overcome our stress. We all are forever grateful to our teachers for believing in us and supporting us. Thank you very much, teachers.
As you know, we are the next batch. We are going to face the board exams within a few months. What would be the piece of advice that you would like to give us?
From the depth of my heart, first of all, I would like to thank God Almighty for giving me this moment of happiness, and my parents and all my teachers and friends. And it is obviously this is one of the best moments in my life, as I could see the happiness of my parents, teachers and friends. And more than an advice, what I would like to tell you is what I have learned. It is very important that it is obvious that CBSE board exams are very important, but we also should give importance to model exams and class tests conducted by the school as well. And it is vital that we should study the NCERT textbooks and thoroughly, and should give equal importance to each and every exams conducted by the school. And so as like my parents have said, it doesn't matter what the exam is, like the test paper or model exams or whatever, we must study and prepare well and score good marks. And so finally what my results is just because of those words and my hard work of my teachers and all those support of my friends as well. And then we cannot expect any last minute miracles to happen. So what we are is repeatedly what we do, and excellence is an after effect of it. And finally what I need to tell you is that we should work hard and be a good human being, and all will come along.
You have achieved a good result, so we would like to know your daily routine of your studies.
To be honest, there had been not any clear-cut routine for myself, but I have tried my maximum to make sure that there had not been any pending classes for me, and I cleared my doubts with my teachers, and completed my works timely so that it will not be any burden for me. And I watched the class up to date.
Did the present pandemic affect your studies? If yes, how it affects?
Okay. As you know, this pandemic has affected most of us in many ways, maybe in means of our studies or by our health. As far as I am concerned, it affected me in my studies. We were all forced to stay at home and our online classes began. And it was very tough at the online classes when first it was began. And but our teachers, they helped us a lot. They supported us in their extreme. So that's why we got a big result. So thank you to our all teachers. The saddest part about the pandemic was that we were not able to meet our friends. So it was very quite sad about our school day life. This pandemic helped us to master the different situations, the toughest situations which we have gone through in this COVID-19 in our life. So as a result, we have overcome it with the help of our dear parents and teachers.
As we are going to give boards next year, so can you share your daily study schedule to us?
The topics that taught to me. I attend the online classes regularly and prepare notes. I used to call my friends whenever there is any doubt. And the main thing is that I used to read the textbook thoroughly.
How supportive were your parents?
Of course, my parents were extremely supportive throughout my entire journey. Usually parents might be slightly more stressed than kids whenever exams are around. They often used to give me emotional and moral support whenever I was stressed out. They never expressed their restlessness around me, and most importantly, they never pressurized me to score highest grade. My parents were extremely supportive. It was a loving and supportive environment at my home which enabled me to overcome my exam stress and anxiety, and that's how I took board exams in a positive manner.
So what's your main strength behind your overwhelming and victorious victory?
First, I thank God for this wonderful result. My parents, teachers, and friends are the backbone of my success. They are always with me in my happiness and weakness. School coaching and self-study were given equal relevance, and it played a role in my success. Classrooms are the platform where we study, we share our doubts, clearing doubts, share thoughts, etc. But this time we missed our classroom due to this pandemic situation. But our teachers tried their best to provide the classroom effect through online classes. There are many other people who are behind my success. Thanking all of them for their help, and best wishes to you for your better future.
Hi everyone, I am Shan.
I am Shiva.
We are parents of Naveen Abhishan, class 12 commerce student of Amrita Kairali Vidyabhavan Nirmangal. Amrita Kairali Vidyabhavan abruptly adapted an online platform to its students to perform, to continue their education. We are proud enough to have our kids at one of the best green efficient schools in India. Our special thanks to each and every one of the teachers for providing such a wonderful opportunity and encourage our children with all available supports by giving assignments, test papers, working out of previous question papers, and so on, which helped our students to get high scores in their board examinations. We value our association with the Amrita Kairali Vidyabhavan in these years. Thank you very much.
സഞ്ജനയ്ക്ക് +1 +2 കൈരളി വിദ്യാഭവൻ സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയതിൽ ഞാൻ പ്രൗഡായിട്ട് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഈ ഒരു പാൻഡമിക് സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ പോലും എല്ലാ ടീച്ചേഴ്സും അവരുടെ ഫുൾ എഫേർട്ട് എടുത്ത് സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനെ പഠിപ്പിച്ചായിരുന്നു. അതുപോലെ ഈ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനിലും ഒരു സ്റ്റഡി ക്യാമ്പ് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. ബട്ട് അൺഫോർച്ചുനേറ്റ്ലി അത് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. എങ്കിലും സിന്ധു മാമിനോട് ഞാൻ നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു.
ഇത്തവണത്തെ +2 വിദ്യാർത്ഥി ആയിരുന്ന ഗായത്രി എസ് നായരുടെ പിതാവാണ്. 1ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ ഈ +2 വരെ എൻ്റെ മകൾ അവിടുത്തെ ആ സ്കൂളിലെ അമൃത കൈരളിയിലെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയായിരുന്നു. ഏറ്റവും നല്ല ഒരു ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷനുള്ള എല്ലാ ക്വാളിറ്റിയും ഒത്തടങ്ങിയ ഒരു സ്ഥാപനമാണ് അമൃത കൈരളി വിദ്യാഭവൻ എന്ന് എനിക്ക് ഉറപ്പുള്ളത് കൊണ്ടാണ് എൻ്റെ കുട്ടി അവിടെ തുടർന്ന് പഠിക്കാനും ഈ ഒരു വിജയം കൈവരിക്കാനും സാധിച്ചത് എന്ന് ഞാൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കി.
1ാം സ്ഥാനം കരസ്ഥമാക്കിയ സൂര്യ MS-ന്റെ അമ്മയാണ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ 10 വർഷമായി അമൃത കൈരളി വിദ്യാഭവനിൽ പഠിക്കുന്ന എൻ്റെ മകളുടെ വിജയത്തിന് പിന്നിൽ അവളുടെ അധ്യാപകരുടെ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായ സേവനമാണെന്ന് ഞാൻ നിസ്സംശയം വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. അതുപോലെ ഈ ഓൺലൈൻ പഠനത്തിന്റെ കാലഘട്ടത്തിലും അമിതമായ മാനസിക സമ്മർദ്ദം നൽകാതെ പാഠഭാഗങ്ങളെ എങ്ങനെ സമീപിക്കണമെന്നും ചിട്ടയായ മാതൃകാ പരീക്ഷകളിലൂടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ ആത്മവിശ്വാസം വർദ്ധിപ്പിക്കുകയും പഠനകാര്യങ്ങളിൽ സഹായിച്ച അവളുടെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളോടും നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു.
എന്തായിരിക്കും റിസൾട്ട് എന്നൊരു വിഷമമുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഈ പാൻഡമിക് സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ കുട്ടികൾ എങ്ങനെ അതിനെ നേരിടും, ടീച്ചേഴ്സും എല്ലാവരും വളരെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. സ്കൂളിനും നല്ല റിസൾട്ട്, കുട്ടികൾക്കും നല്ല റിസൾട്ട് എന്നറിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ വളരെ സന്തോഷം തോന്നി. മോൾക്ക് സ്കൂളിൽ 2nd സ്ഥാനം ഉണ്ടെന്നറിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷം തോന്നി. ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ വളരെ സന്തോഷപൂർവ്വം തന്നെ കുട്ടികൾ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. എല്ലാ ക്ലാസ്സുകളും നഷ്ടപ്പെടുത്താതെ എല്ലാ വീഡിയോസും നോട്ട്സും എല്ലാം നന്നായിട്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ ഫലമാണ് ഈ റിസൾട്ട് എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു.